What's up everybody, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'm doing a 1 year BTG review. And actually it's really wonderful. It's already a year since I switched to BTG. And for my needs, for my applications, the BTG package is the best way to go. And probably someone of you is gonna say, well, why are you saying BTG package if it's a BTG tire? Well, the BTG tire alone will not do any good, simply because the tire is big and will not fit in a standard frame. You have to get extended rails, BTG rails. Like here I got really nice, beautiful WTF rail, BTG size. It's awesome. The way I see it, if you switch into BTG, you should get wider foot pads as well. Because as soon as you switch it to BTG, your board is gonna behave and feels differently. When you ride it, due to bigger size tire, it will produce it more centrifugal force compared to little tire. And in my opinion, the wider foot pad, this one is like a ½ inch wider than a standard XR. If you look at, you see it's flared out instead flared in. The wider foot pads with BTG, it helps a lot because it will be easy to control it. Basically, the wider foot pad you get, it's much easier will board to turn at high speed, because like I said, when the wheel spins, it's producing centrifugal force. That's the physics. You not can go around that. And yeah, it's really awesome. I love it. But in the same time, I can tell you right now, the BTG is not for everybody. I do have this board, Monster Vesc XR. I do have regular size XR. Also Vesc. And like my kids, they don't like this board. It's heavy, it's big. Some riders who tried my Wolf board on a regular size Vesc XR, and actually that one is not really regular the way I see it, because it has a smaller tire than a standard one. It's a standard tire, it's a ½ inch smaller than standard, but ½ inch bigger than Pine tire. And that board is quite amazing. And a lot of people like that board more than better than BTG. It's not mean BTG it's bad, no. BTG, especially the way I see it, for heavy guy like myself, I'm 50 plus years old and 290 pounds. For me, smaller tires feels kind of rough. When I ride it, I can feel every cracks, every bumps. BTG tire is more, I should call more forgivable. If you not pay attention to a condition of road or off-road where you're running, you can hit some good bumps and it feels like, oh, it's no big deal. With smaller tire, heavy guy, we're talking about almost 300 pounds, right? If you hit a little bump or a little hole, it can throw you out. With bigger tire, it's awesome. Also, well, about foot pads, I already mentioned that. Also on this BTG, I did modified tread. Let me turn it off, make sure it's not gonna spin. And the tread, if you see, I added more cuts, and that actually, what it give it to you, those mats, what it does provide, the tire is more flexible. And now I can run 2 more pounds more than before. Tire feels nice and cushy, flexible as before at lower pressure, and it's more curvy, because to make tire, especially like this BTG, Burris BTG, it's not really round one like a sports bike tire. It's kind of slightly flat, especially if you run at low pressure. I'm talking about if it's a lighter guy, like 12, 13 pounds, it feels flat. You have to run it like probably at 17 pounds and higher. And to make it round better without too much pressure, that's what you do, those cuts, and it will release some pressure from big chunk of thread, and it becomes super. Well, like I said, it's already a year. I put probably a little over 1,000 miles on the tire, on that package. It's awesome, and there's no way I'm going back. Well guys, pretty much that's my opinion / review on a BTG. I hope this video you guys enjoy it. Like it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future video, subscribe. We will be really appreciate it. Thank you.